Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Manju Tahriya. Today we are diving into the heart of TradingView. But before we jump into the good stuff, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out our latest tips, tricks and market insight. Now let's get started. First open Google, then type TradingView. Select the first option, then go to products, then super charts. Here you see a pic or otherwise you can see a letter. Simply click on it. Go to the first option, then profile, and here it is a TradingView ID. What is TradingView ID? TradingView ID is a unique identifier that represents your TradingView account. Every TradingView user gets its own unique username, and that username is your TradingView ID. This is my TradingView ID, and you have your own specific TradingView ID. Thanks for watching.